news. First, a look at the headlines. Sudin may get PWD, Parsekar revenue, France's urban development, Mathany tourism, Mandrekar agriculture. Sources say that BJP state party president will resign. Damodar Naik may take over. Shigmo parade dazzles thousands of people with traditional folk dance and colourful floats. Lively floats, energy-filled rom-com performances and authentic folk dances part of the colourful parade. Vasco Kole passenger train engine power fails, halts at Shantinagar, passengers stranded for more than 1.5 hours. Pro League champions Dempo Sports Club enters Super Cup final with a 6-0 victory over Sporting Club de Goa. Ranti Martins and Coco Sakibo net 2 goals each. And Salgaonkar beat GCA Academy Stars by 6 wickets in Goa Professional League. Salgaonkar, GCA and Goa Sports Academy tied on top spot with 9 points. Dempo finally win in GPL 3. And now the news in detail. Portfolios of the newly elected government are likely to be distributed on Monday. Sources say that BJP state party president would resign and Damodar Naik would take over, the same as the new party president. Here's a look at who might get which portfolio.
After historic assembly election, BJP-led alliance government was sworn in on Friday. Sources say that Francis D'Souza, Sudin Lakshmikant Parsekar, Mathany Saldana and Dayanand Mandrekar would get the following portfolios. Francis D'Souza Urban Development, Sudin PWD and Social Welfare, Lakshmikant Parsekar Revenue and Civil Supply, Mathany Saldana Tourism and Fisheries, Dayanand Mandrekar Agriculture. Sources say that Ramesh Tawardkar, Deepak Dawrikar, Milind Naik, Mahadev Naik and independent MLA Avartino Furtado are in line for getting cabinet berths in the second round. Mahadev Naik has been already appointed as the pro-term speaker for the budget session scheduled to commence on March 19th. Sources say that BJP state party president Lakshmikant Parsekar would resign and Damodar Naik would take over as the new party president. Saligaon MLA Dilip Parulekar would also be appointed as general secretary of the BJP state unit on Monday.
Adhyaksha रावंक शकना. Maybe till arrangement is made, he'll stay. But as per BJP's constitution, मंत्रीपद आणि अध्यक्ष असे बरोबर उरूंक शकना. त्यामुळे he'll have to resign sometime. Maybe Monday, Tuesday he'll resign.
नेक्स्ट कोण असतले दामू नाईक?
ना अजून काही ठरवलं ना. तो पक्षान निर्णय घेतो ठरव. In which I am also a party, but we have to sit and decide.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Traditional folk dances and colourful floats dazzled thousands of people who witnessed the Shigmo parade that commenced in the capital city on Saturday. Lively floats, energy-filled rom-tam performances and authentic folk dances were part of the colourful parade. Floats depicting mythological and religious aspects were paraded in the city till late hours using special light effects.
ह्या वर्सा आमकां वर्सापेक्षा चड लोक जातलो अशी अपेक्षा धरता. कारण ह्या वर्सा आमचो पणजे जो MLA येता निवडून तो आयज आमकां CM म्हणून मेळ्ळो आसा आनी आमकां चड खोशी जाल्ली आसा की आमकां चीफ गेस्ट दुसरे कडेन सोदूंक वचचो पडूना जावं आमी रावचे पडटा रावूंक मेळचें ना. आमचो पणजेकार आसल्या कारणान आमी चड उमेद जाल्ली आसा आनी पब्लिकूय ह्या वर्सा होळी जेन्ना आमी आझाद मैदानाचेर केली की वर्सापेक्षा आमकां 4 पटींनी लोक चड जाले. फ्लोट आमी पयलीं 3:30-4 भायर काडटाले पण आतां परिस्थिती वेगळी जाल्ली आसा. कित्याक लायट इफेक्ट म्हणून जाल्ल्या कारणान की आमी फ्लोट बेगीन आमी कितलेय कोशिश केली समितीन जाल्यार आमकां शक्य जायना तें. कारण तांच्या हातान आसता ते कशेंच तयार जायना. तशें रोमटा मेळ जे आसा तांकां आमी विचारलें बाबा तुमी बेगीन येता कित्याक येना. ते आमी सर्वीस करता काम करता आनी कामाचे सुटले शिवाय पयलीं येवंक आमकां मेळना. तो प्रॉब्लेम तांचो जाल्लो आसा. बाकी लोकांचो रिस्पॉन्स आमकां हांगा बरो आसा.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.